us.
Saint-Léon-le-Grand is a charming parish municipality in Quebec. It is located on the southern slope of the St. Lawrence River. It's about 430 kilometers northeast of Quebec City and 110 kilometers southeast of Rimouski. The area is surrounded by beautiful towns like Umpqui, Lac-aux-Saumons, Coz-Upscal, and Sébec. The landscape is mostly mountainous and forested, offering stunning views and great outdoor activities. Saint-Léon-le-Grand has an interesting history. It began as a logging concession owned by the Price Company. The first settlers arrived in 1896, coming from places like Baie des Sables, Cap-Chat, Saint-Félicite, Chicoutimi, and Lac Saint-Jean. In 1901, the Catholic mission was founded, followed by the civil establishment in 1903. That same year, the post office was created. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty and history of Saint-Léon-le-Grand, Quebec.